Deep in rural America, I found a relic of the past, a forgotten 1920s wooden rowboat.
The timber is brittle and the history is fading, but the soul of this vessel is still there.
The owner wanted it gone. He saw a piece of junk, and I saw a masterpiece waiting to return.
We settled on $900, a fair price for a century-old dream that needs a lot of work.
Loading her up was the first challenge. One wrong move and this fragile wood would snap like a twig. The journey home began. This boat hasn't moved an inch in over 40 years, until today. Welcome to the shop. This is where the 1920s rowboat begins its long road back to the water. First, we clear away the decades. Every layer of dust hides a secret about how she was built. Stripping the old finish is satisfying. Underneath the decay, the original cedar is still surprisingly strong. Stubborn resins and old repairs have to go. We need a clean slate to do this right.
Sanding reveals the boat's true character. The 1920s craftsmanship is starting to shine through again. Every rusted nail tells a story. We're replacing these with high-quality marine-grade brass. Structural integrity is key. This rib is completely rotted, so we're hand-shaping a new one.
To get those 1920s curves, we have to steam the wood until it's as flexible as leather.
It's a race against time. We have to clamp it before the wood cools and hardens again.
Precision is everything. Each screw is a permanent bond that will hold for another century. Modern adhesives give this 1920s boat strength that the original builders could only dream of. She's finally smooth. The prep work is done, and now she's ready for the first coat.
The stain brings the grain back to life. It's like watching the boat wake up from a long sleep.
Look at that color. This 1920s rowboat is starting to look like a piece of fine furniture. The first coat of varnish is a milestone. It locks in the color and provides that classic glass finish. To get a perfect finish, you have to sand between every single coat. It's tedious, but worth it.
Traditional boats need traditional methods. This cotton caulking is what actually keeps the water out.
Sealing the seams is the final defense. This compound stays flexible, allowing the wood to breathe.
The interior floorboards are original. We've saved every piece we could to maintain the boat's soul.
The hardware was a mess, but underneath the grime, the original brass oarlocks were waiting to shine. 90% of restoration is patience. These small details make the entire project pop. Custom gold leaf lettering adds that touch of 1920s elegance this boat deserves.
The bottom gets a special copper green paint. It's classic, functional, and protects the wood from the elements.
Every boat needs a name. We chose the Heritage to honor its century-long journey.
The oars were missing, so we're handcrafting a pair of long-grain ash sweeps from scratch.
A smooth grip is essential. These oars need to feel like an extension of the rower's arms.
Traditional leathering protects the wood from the friction of the brass oarlocks. It's the old-school way.
The sixth and final coat. Now, the 1920s rowboat looks like it just rolled out of the factory.
300 hours of labor. Every minute was worth it to save this piece of history.
It's time to leave the shop. The 1920s boat is heading back to its natural habitat.
We're being extra careful now. One scratch would be a disaster after all this work.
She's a head-turner. You don't see craftsmanship like this on the road very often anymore. The lake is calm. It's the perfect morning for the 1920s rowboat's first voyage in half a century. This is the moment of truth. Will she hold tight, or will the old seams leak?
First contact. The wood needs to swell to become truly watertight.
She floats perfectly. The balance is just as the original 1920s designers intended. Stepping aboard feels like stepping back in time. The 1920s boat is alive again. The hardware fits like a glove. It's time to see what she can do on the open water.
The first pull. The efficiency of this 1920s design is absolutely incredible.
She cuts through the lake like a knife. $900 well spent.
You can feel the water through the wood. There's no connection like this in a modern boat.
Even the local wildlife seems to appreciate the return of a 1920s classic.
Peace. That's what this project was really about. Finding a quiet moment in history. Looking back at where we started, it's hard to believe this is the same vessel. The 1920s rowboat was built for this. 100 years later, she's right back home.
The first test is a success. No leaks, no creaks, just pure cinematic movement.
Secured. She's safe, she's dry, and she's ready for her next adventure.
Capturing the moment. This 1920s boat is finally ready for the world to see. The best $900 I've ever spent. A true investment in history.
Even at night, the 1920s craftsmanship shines through. She's a beacon of the past. But this was just the beginning. The next restoration is going to be even bigger. Restoring the past ensures a more beautiful future. See you on the next one. 90 days of work in 6 seconds. The 1920s rowboat, fully restored. From a $900 wreck to a timeless treasure. History is back on the water where it belongs.